Alright, to finish what we started, minus x minus 5 is greater than minus 3x minus 6. Alright, so if you look at here, we'll see that minus x is on the left, minus 3x is on the right. So the question is, which is greater, minus 1 or minus 3? Which is greater? Alright, the greater one is what? Is minus 1. Alright, as I was saying, minus 1, in generally for natural numbers, we say 3 is greater than 1, right? But when they have negative value, minus 1 is greater than minus 3. You can prove that on the number line. You see minus 1 before you get to minus 2, like that. Alright? So this is greater. So minus 3x will come over here. So it becomes, so add minus 3x to both sides. So it's going to be minus x plus 3x greater than minus 6 plus what? Plus 5. Is that okay? So when you add 3x here, this leaves. So minus 5 comes here to be plus 5. And this becomes minus 3x, minus x plus 3x. That gives us 2x. Okay? Greater than minus 1. So you divide both sides by 2. So x is greater than minus 1 over 2. Which is our final answer. Alright? Which is our final answer. So to do a quick recap of what we've done so far, for those who missed other videos, the first question we were given is to find the value of 4x minus 5 less than 11, right? To find that, so to get our answer, we added 5 to both sides, then we divided both sides by what? By 4. It gave us x to be less than 4. Then the second one, we said 3 into bracket 12 minus x greater than 4 plus 5x. Then the first thing we do is to open the bracket. 3 times 12, 36. Then 3 times minus x, that gave us minus 3x. Then 4 plus 5x. Then we now said 36 minus 4, it means this 4 here crossing here to give us 32. Then we took minus 3x to the other side, became 8x when added to 5 with 5x. So to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, we have our answer to be 4 greater than or equal to x. So, and I told you that x has to be on the left hand side. And when that happens, then the inequality symbol has to change. Then the third one, I said we should find the value for which 3 into bracket x plus 4 close bracket is less than or equal to 5x. So 3 times x give us 3x. 3 times 4 give us 12. Less than or equal to 5x. So when we removed 3x from both sides, it gave us 5 minus 3x to be 2. So the coefficient of x, 2, divide both sides by 2, gave us 6. Now 6 less than or equal to what? Less than or equal to x. In that case, what we need to do is to bring x to the left hand side. And to do that, the inequality symbol has to change. So I need you to ask your questions. Ask your questions. The first thing you need to know is that when you are solving inequality and your final answer appears to be something like this, don't leave your answer like this. Okay? All you need to do is take this to the left hand side, change the inequality symbol, and bring this one here. Is that okay? Is that okay? It's very, very important you don't leave your answer in this form, but rather in this form. Is that clear? So we're going to be going through the inequality, representing it on a number line. How do we represent x less than 4 on a number line? Now, if I have this, apologies, I'm supposed to use a ruler. Then I have 0. On the left hand side, minus 1 and minus 2. On this side, I have 1 and I have 2, in that manner. Now, if this were to be 42, am I going to write from 1 to 42? No. So all I needed to do was to do like this. 0, minus 4, and plus 4. Then I bring my number line, showing an indication. X is what? Less than 4. Less than 4. So that means I'm going to start from 4. So let me withdraw it. Alright? So this is 0. This is 4. Plus 4. This is minus 4. Alright? So that means going to be something like this. Less than will point this way. Alright? I didn't shade it. I didn't shade it because it's not equal to. Is that clear? Is not equal to. Alright? Let me show you how to draw for this. S is greater than or equal to 6. X is greater than or equal to 6. So we have 0 plus 6 minus 6. Alright? Greater than or equal to what? 6. So that means I'm going to have something like this. Something like this. Greater than. Alright? Then I will have to what? Shade it. Why did I shade it? I had to shade it to show you that is what? Equal to. So if this is greater than or equal to, x is greater than or equal to 6. That's 6. Why here it's less than 4. X is less than 4. I didn't shade it because it's not equal to. Same thing goes here. Alright? Now, one thing I need us to know is that there are times when you have more than this on one number line. How do we go about that? Watch out for the next video.